Smart Mouse is using gestures to input commands. Here we will show you how to create a door block by gestures completely. Remember to keep pressing on right click of your mouse in gestures. Here we go. Up to create a new drawing. R to create a rectangle. Upper right to create a circle. L to create lines. E to erase objects. N to mirror the object. J to join the lines. B to create the door block. So you will find that it's quite easy to create it by gestures. In Smart Mouse settings, there are other gestures. And you can customize your own gestures. So that's Smart Mouse. Thanks for watching.